Hi there. Today I wanted to talk about how I embedded a spinner into PowerPoint. So first I went to Wheel of Names. I got the link for my spinner, copied it, went back to my Google Slides, made a random image to test it out, put the URL and linked the image to the Wheel of Names link. Let's go into present mode to see if it works. Okay, so now I click on the square, but the wheel, of course, is not there. Instead of showing it in the slides, it opens a new tab. So then I tried the embed link from Wheel Decide, but I realized that you need to download third-party apps like this to embed any HTML in PowerPoint. So instead, I followed this YouTube tutorial from PowerPoint University on how to make a spinner in PowerPoint, not Google Slides. So following the 20-minute tutorial, which took me hours, I came up with this, the spinning wheel, which is in my PowerPoint. It is triggered by clicking on the speech bubble, which will make it start spinning and stop spinning. By clicking on that same speech bubble, I also included some applause sound and put anything there that you want, any image, Bitmoji. I had a Superflex picture there since that's the curriculum I'm using with my students, but maybe for now, let's just put something else like a, I don't know, happy face. Okay, so happy face here, or we can take it away, and let's see what this looks like in present mode. So you go into present mode in PowerPoint, and the animation should work. So we click on the spinner and we click on it again and it will stop and it should land on a different spot. Also, I put empty text boxes on each cutout of the circle. Here on the next slide, I took a screenshot of that image. If you click on it, it takes you back to the spinner page. Trying that in Google Slides does not work. It just takes you to the next slide, which is why you need to do this in PowerPoint, because the animation is removed in Google Slides. So there are a number of ways to use this. I'm going to make that spinner jump to the slide, so I'm going to fill it, let's say, blue for now. Okay, we go back to the spinner. Pieces are still separate here. I apply the action setting, jump to slide. That slide, that's blue. Let me add a whoosh sound, so when I click on it, that's where it goes. I'm going to copy and paste my picture that I've already linked back to the spinner. And then I'm going to move my control panel right here. Okay, so in present mode, let's spin. We're going to pretend that it lands on blue. I click next. It goes to the blue slide. I click on my link back to the spinner slide, and now I'm back and I can do it again.